Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Open the Electrify America app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app installed, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is open, log into your account using your email address and password. On the home screen, navigate to the Charging Passes section. Tap on Authorize Charging Pass. Select the type of charging pass you wish to authorize. Enter the desired charging pass number when prompted. Review the details associated with the charging pass. Once you have confirmed the details are correct, tap on Authorize. Wait for the app to process your authorization request. You will receive a confirmation message once the authorization is successful. Next, navigate to the charging station you intend to use. Ensure that the charging station is powered on and ready for use. Scan the QR code on the charging station using the app. If prompted, select the charging pass you authorized earlier. Follow any additional prompts on the app to initiate the charging session. Monitor the charging progress directly through the app. Once your vehicle is fully charged, you can disconnect your vehicle from the charging station.
If necessary, terminate the charging session through the app.
Confirm that the charging session has ended before leaving the station.
Congratulations, you've successfully authorized your Electrify America charging pass.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps.
Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk.
After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.